Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the smart integrated LED hood light for the all-new Can-Am Maverick R. Part number 715007378. We're going to do an unboxing video and show you what's inside. This light looks super cool. It is flush mounted and does have a really cool beam on it, if you will. So if you take a look at this chart, that's showing you kind of the direction of the beam and the width of the beam. And if you happen to use the smart integrated system, what it will do is the intensity as you speed up is going to go further out, and as you slow down, that light beam is going to pull back. Okay, so I will post up in the comments or in the description below a little more information about it, but you're a little over 5,000 lumens on this light. Again, the intensity varies. It is a spot flood beam combo, obviously more on the spot side than the flood beam side. And all of the smart accessories are going to need that wiring harness to pull off the kit. So check out in the description below a little more information as well as part numbers that you're going to need to install this on your machine. We'll do a product live demonstration video once we get all of this installed. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. You want to see what's inside? Let's check it out. Little instruction manual. You can simply go to that website, type in the part number, and it'll show you how to do it. Looks like you got some zip ties for your wiring, simple screws to install it, a couple brackets there. You can see the spot flood beam combo on the lights. Very nice, very nice. Plenty of cooling fans on there for you. We got them in stock. We can ship it out today. 435-427-3338. I'll also post up a link in the description below where you can go on and order right off of our website. Have a great day, everybody.